for that dimensions?
Yes,
to make something similar?
Yeah. Actually, I want to explain this part for you. Can you receive the video I just sent you? On WhatsApp.
You send it now, the video?
Yes, on WhatsApp.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Yes, we can saw that in the videos there only one part. It is front and back the obstacle. So now we are developing more equipment about the superronio. Use some one obstacle or two or three obstacle, and according to the customer's location to make the design. So that's possible. But we need you tell us what obstacle of superronio what you want. Then we can, according to your demands and area, to provide a rough cost that you can evaluate if you want it.
Ok, znači u suštini šta od superunije biste uzeli, koje delove, pošto ne može sve, pa da ona prilagodi tome.
Dobro. Čekaj samo da vidim, pa mi smo samo vidjeli onaj deo gde se oni penju, ima ono gde se podiže i zida izlaz. Čekaj sam da vidim da li to ima ovde.
Ok, just a second.
Okay.
A pita i za onu vrtešku, da li vidi se na slici?
Ono sa drvetom, the spinning tree, na to misli?
Ovo sam... Da li ovo, to je kao veliko, to ne može?
Bounce agent, there is enough space for that, yes?
Yes, the space is enough. For this equipment, it will take up around 10 square meter, so it's enough.
And for spinning tree as well, yes?
Yes, it's also enough. That will be around such as 8. But if we want to put the superronio, so the green part only put this one equipment.
Okay.
Šta je sad rekla za one? Vrteška može, ovo ne može?
Ne, jedno i drugo može, znači oba mogu.
Dobro.
So if we put that bounce agent and spinning tree, because of that there is no space for superronio or...
Based on our locations area, if we want to put the superronio, we only put superronio. If we put the spinning tree and the another equipment, the space won't be enough.
Okay, I see. Tako je, u suštini da.
Aha. Sad to mi treba da prelomimo i odlučimo.
So we need to make a decision what to choose, superronio or these two, yes? Did I understand correctly?
Yes.
Okay, u suštini da.
Da, što je ona poslala ovo i sad treba da pogledamo. Dobro. Čekaj, šta smo trebali da upisati? Aha. Mi znači treba da odlučimo ovo što je ona poslala iz tabele i o dimenziju i sve to, tako? Ili će oni da uklope u ono što ima?
Ovo sve u tabeli je za superronio.
Da, to sam skontala.
Okay, so from this table you sent to us, we need to choose.
You need to choose what obstacle you want. I will show you. I will show you. So I will share my computer screen for you. Wait a moment.
Okay.
Dobro.
Da, u suštini, ali čekaj, to je kao ceo deo, jel da? Kakav hoćeš da bude oblik?
Pa tu biraš sad koji deo ovo hoćeš.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. Firstly, I want to explain it how the superronio works. Actually, it includes two parts. One is for a small climbing, and the other part is combined with different obstacles that can move. So you just need to confirm what obstacle you want, and we can, according to these demands, to provide a rough cost for you. So the first thing is We can
Znači, u
we can
suštini
use
pobereš svoje prepreke da idu.
we can use the
Okay.
model as for example in this part this will be a small climbing wall so the children can get in can get up, and in this wall there will be 3 obstacles. One is obstacle will be moved from left to right. This is one obstacle, and the second obstacle is just like as the video I sent you from front to the back, from to back to move, and
Okay.
and the third obstacle is like this part, the spinning wheel. The fan will turn around once the electric is turned. So you need to tell us what obstacle you want in your location, and we can make the corresponding design for you and provide the rough cost. Yeah, I will. Yeah.
Okay, so how many obstacles can we choose?
3.
3, ok. Znači, mogu 3 da se odaberu te prepreke, kako oni zovu, odnosno igre, da kažem. I onda na osnovu toga će ona pripremiti dizajn i uklopiti se.
Dobro, koji to uzrast je najviše koji obuhvata?
What is the age of kids that are using Super Runio mostly? Like, let's say from 5 to 7 years old or something?
For Super Runio, there should be there is no problem to work well, such as for 3 years, because this is a electric equipment. So the warranty period is 1 year, and if there is anything such as there are obstacles don't work, you can contact us to. Then we will tell you how to fix it.
Yeah. Okay. That's not...
And about how many long time for this equipment? Now we don't have a very accurate. We don't have a very accurate time, because it's a new equipment that we developed by ourselves, and it has been in this market around 5 years.
Yeah. Okay. So what is the average age of the kids that mostly are using this?
I understand. You mean that it's suitable what ages for children, right?
Yeah. What is suggested age? Let's say.
For example, for this model, it is suitable for can be up to the it's also suitable for the adults, but it will be better for teenagers. And only this model, such as you can see in there, it is suitable for under 12 years old. It comes suitable for the older children, because its height only have 3.2 meters.
So the model you're showing now on your screen, that's for what?
Under 12 years old.
12 years old.
Yeah. And the other models is suitable for the teenagers and adults. It's both.
Ovo je u suštini za tinejdžere i stariju decu, da ono bukvalno ono kao.
Treba nam to dole do 12 godina za mlađe.
Dobro,
ako se odlučimo, pitaj za ova dva, na što smo naveli u malo pre u propisivanju, što smo je poslali slike, znači one 2 slike bez ova dva. Jel ovo pitaj da li je u tom trambolina, kao skakanje, u tom...
So, okay, if we choose to go with bounce agent and spinning tree, so this includes trambolina, yes, trampoline, or...
Ili je to neka ravna podloga, ne vidim šta je.
Yes, the bounce agent actually it belongs to the trampoline part. It is trampoline and match the electric screen. So the children game the trampoline to play the screen games. I will send the video. Yeah.
So they're jumping on it and looking at the screen. Yes. So the screen is showing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Ajde biti pored ova dva, ostaće sigurno mesto. Šta bi još mogli da stavimo? Pored onog
So,
vrteškog.
okay, if we choose then this bound agent and spinning tree, I think that there is enough space for more things like that.
Yes.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay. So how many other things we could choose to? So we have this one and second, and plus how many more?
After choosing these two equipments, we still left such as around 15 square meters. But we still notice that there need left space so the children can have a place to stand.
So you said, if I understand correctly, for single piece, you need 17 meters square.
No, there are. For example, the bounce agent will take up around 9 square meter, 9 or 10, and the spinning tree will take up. Wait a moment, let me.
Ovo ti 9 do 10 metara kvadratnih treba.
Dobro.
Za koje?
Okay.
Za ono da skaču trambolini i da rešu u igri.
Dobro, to je u redu.
The spinning tree will take up around 8 to 9 square meter, so there will left 15 around 15 meter.
Okay. Reci, šta si ti hteo da kažeš za zidove?
To se samo dobijemo cenu za ovo da vidimo počet.
Onda ta dva smo se opredelili i to je to.
Šta sam htio da kažem, koliko treba 9 kvadrata za to, a?
Da.
Nije malo čoče, što ti skoro...
To ti je kao to je veliki ketrici sa trambulinom gde skaču.
Trambolina ima taj ekran i onda oni govorimo kao što
Da.
Super. I ono za okretanje, to je super.
Da, ono je ljuljaška. Onda reci, smo se odlučili za to i ono vrtešku.
Okay, so we will go for spinning tree and bounce agent, probably.
Okay, there is no problem.
Okay.
So okay, there is no problem. Do you still need us to provide the rough cost for this area about Super Runio, or don't need anymore?
Sad pita za Super Union, da li ste odustali od toga ili... Da.
Pa jesmo.
Da. Nećeš mislim.
Nemamo gde više da stavimo. Ne.
Yeah, but
Odustajem.
so probably we don't have enough space for Super Runio. So because of that, we will go for these two things.
Okay, there is no problem.
Maze is fine. Yes, it stands.
Okay.
For the red part, it's okay.
Yeah, that's
Na zidu nešto, jel da, Miloše? Smo gledali juče. Ček sam da nađem prosto. Ali ovo, ako bude negde prostora da se okači, sam da nađem. Alo, pite zava da može možda da se okači, ako ima prostora. Ne znam, si ljudi ne idu.
Do we have enough space to
this is the ball machine. It should put into the ball pool because this equipment is placed through the ball to transport the ball on the ball pool.
So this is for ball pool game.
Yeah,
yes?
this is ball machine. It's placed through transport the ball in the ball pool.
U ime dizajn za taj bazen sa lopticama.
Onda je to negde.
Maureen, one question. Pita što se tiče, ti si izabrala na Safari.
Safari tema. Tu piše ovde jungle, ali nije jungle. Dobro, reci u toj skici piše jungle.
Prvo samo da par stvari. Znači prvo, labirint je ono, tema u stvari cela je Safari.
So the theme for Maze is Safari, no jungle.
No jungle.
No jungle, Safari theme. Is that fine?
Okay. So you check the email that I sent you about the Serify project. That you want the separate this theme.
Yes, separate theme. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Znači, u lavirintu koji treba da bude sve ono što smo vidjeli tamo u Kini kad sam ja obilazio na licu mesta u tržnom centru sa njom.
Okay, the maze should be like the one you and Milos saw in that shopping mall when he was in China.
Yeah.
When you visited, so the maze to be the same one.
Svi sadržaji u lavirintu. Tako.
Svi sadržaji u lavirintu.
You mean the separate project I ever sent to the Milos by email, right?
No, the one, the maze you saw in shopping mall in China when Milos went to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so you went to some shopping mall and you saw that maze you made already, and they want the same one here with all that applicable things.
Okay. Okay.
With the same content.
Okay. Okay. I understand. You
Okay.
you mean that the location I ever take the Milos around at our at Shanghai
Yes.
close
Yes.
our okay. Okay. Okay.
And that maze you saw, and they want the same one with the same content and applicable things here.
Okay, I understand, and I understand and know what equipment you want, but I want to mention that the equipment may be a little different according to our location while designing.
Okay, možda će određenih prilagođavanja lokaciji ovde. Okay, that is understandable.
Da li je razumela za tobogan? Slides.
For slides, do you understand everything?
For the slides, I also just noticed that you want to the slides the end with a ball pool, the slide with a ball pool, but you don't told me what slide you want.
Može. Jedan, a drugi.
Jedan. Imali smo oni sa 4, tako je, imali smo oni sa 1. Sad, da li ona zbog promene veličine, da li predlaže da smanjimo ovde na 2 i tamo da ostanemo, mislim da nije 4 nego 2 zbog mesta.
Hteli ove, da li idu 2 ovde, a ovaj 1 dosta.
Sa 1 možda ostane sa strane svakako, verovatno.
Okay, so they have questions regarding slides. Because of the space, can these 4 slides to be only 2 slides? So to be enough space, and this one to go to the ball pool.
Okay, so you want 2 slides. One is the fiberglass slide. That will be 2. That will be 2. Can have 2 children slide at the same time, and another slide is spiral tube. But I have a question is that because our area is limited, so maybe it only can contain 1 slide. That's acceptable for us.
Kao samo jedan tobogan zbog mesta.
Je propagirao igronicu s toboganima. Sve može tobogane dirati.
Da, pa ajde, vidi ovako. Ajde nju piti, da li oni nama mogu idejno rešenje da nam daju predlog? Ovo sve što smo mi rekli, znači ovo da nam daju predlog, vizualni, neki 3D da nam urade, da mi vidimo da li je to. Znači, da li možemo mi da očekujemo, pošto ima kako se zove lavirint sa toboganima, ima onaj što se skače, i ima
ovo drvo što se okreće,
i B video. Da li oni nama mogu u 3D da urade neko idejno rešenje, da zaključuje, nećemo mi to ništa, razumeš, ili samo ono okvirno da mi vidimo kako bi to izgledalo.
Okay, so after everything we discussed today and in past few months, is there a possibility for you to send to us some idea in 3D just to see everything, how it will look like, so that to have like some visual idea to see how it will look like, you know, so
Yes, yes, yes. I understand your meaning. Actually, discussed at the beginning, our process is that we provide the rough cost for the whole design, and you confirm if the rough cost is acceptable. Then we will make the design for you. One important thing is that we need to sure when the building will be done, because we need see some actual pictures about the location to ensure the height and the size there is no any problems, and then we can push the process to next step.
Ok, ono što u suštini jeste, njima je bitno da se odlučite za šta ćete i da prihvatite tu neku ugrubu cenu, pa onda oni posle sledeći korak jeste da pripreme kako će to izgledati okvirno. I ono što kaže, bitan je taj prostor, tamo da ga oni vide u fizičkom smislu, mislim, to mi je sad rekla kao, gde će to, da.
Ne može u fizičkom smislu, to smo već pričali, mi ćemo tek kad dogovorimo sa njima početi gradnju. Jer nama od ove kompozicije njihove zavisi taj prostor, razumeš ovo. Znači mi tek sad, dok mi dogovorimo sa njima, nećemo da počinjemo gradnju. I ona sad treba, ajde prvo ovako, da nam da cenu. Znači samo mi je bitno kod safarija da na samoj toj kompoziciji labirinta, znaš kako igronici labirint tamo, imate neke slike, neko zelenilo i ovo, to je objasniti, to je ono što je dodato, Sandra je to napisala u mailu.
Da bude dodatno kako lepo plamenje.
Okay, so pa ne, ali u suštini šta sad prvo da kažem da...
Kažeš ovako, znači da nam sada treba cena za sve to što smo se sad dogovorili.
Okay, so the first thing, okay, we need the rough price for everything we just discussed, so probably that will be the fine deal, but okay, just to see the rough price to accept it, of course, and to go furthermore. Okay. Okay. And after that, we need to see that composition, how it will look like in that space, because we are building that object after we make deal with you. So when we know what kind of playground it will be, what the polishments we will take from you, then we are going to build that space based.
Let me for example, why we need the pictures of actual location. For example, if we make a design for you, just use the imagination. But once the building is built, we found that the height is changed and the area is a little difference. The previous design won't be workable anymore. So that's why we need confirm the locations, the environment, then we can make the design to ensure the design is workable to save both our time.
Da, ista priča u suštini, jer kao da jedno će biti u projektu, a drugo je kad se napravi u smislu da ne odgovara, jer ona pravi sad tačno po toj specifikaciji kad napravi, na primjer, naš poslednji je promenjivo u tom smislu.
Dobro, nećemo mi nju pustiti da ona pravi, da ona, kako se zove, proizvodi dok mi ne dignemo halu, ali moramo s njom da dogovorimo.
Da vidimo kako to izgleda.
Možemo mi čekati halu pa da posle. Je sad kako nisam tamo, znači da nemam život, da razumeš više.
Okay, so the first, let's go with rough prices for everything.
Yeah.
Okay, for us to see the price. And then after that, after we accept that, and to see that project idea of yours in that place, and after that we will go with the location, with the object and etc.
So now the order is confirming the rough cost firstly, then build the building, or still waiting for something?
Okay, but we are waiting for the building on the end, you know.
Yes, I know, because I know you still get the building permission from the local government. So that's another thing I want to discuss you. When you can get the permission.
Reci da to ne zanima.
Yeah,
Slobodno tako reci, sam mi to tamo rekao, da to nju ne zanima. Slobodno, reci da to nju ne zanima.
Okay, we are still in the process. We cannot know that information, but now that's not important right now.
Yeah. I understand that.
We have a lot of steps before that one.
Yeah. My meaning is that there is no problem to provide a rough cost for you, but after this, actually, the first thing is that to confirm the locations, environment, then we can continue to proceed the design. That's I want to say. Not we confirm the rough cost, then you think it is okay, and you ask us to make the design for you. Just use the imagination. That isn't workable, because the design is according to the actual environment to make, so that the design can suitable for the location, and then the design is workable and the installation can be arranged smoothly.
Okay, I totally understand you, but can we have like some close deal, you know, like to have something we can work with? But after everything is built, we will have the exact dimensions and everything made.
Da vidimo kako bi to izgledalo. Mi to izgradimo, mi ćemo tačno njoj poslati onda po čemu će oni da rade.
For now, we need a draft of everything, but when the building is done, we will have the exact measurements and everything.
Okay.
But for now, we need a draft, so we have something to work with. And when we got permit and build object, then we will go with the real measurements, with the pictures and everything. I understand that part. So we need a draft option just to make everything move on.
Okay. I understand. I mean, I will send you the rough cost after this week. Yeah.
Okay, Maureen. Thank you very much for your time. Just a second okay, pode.
Okay.
Sledeće nedelje.
Znači, okvirna cenu i taj neku skicu da vidimo, ne sad tačno po tim dimenzijama,
da vidimo s koje strane tobogan, kako
tačno da vidimo kako to, da li nam se to taj raspored sviđa ili ne.
Ona kad kaže cenu, neku cenu, ja moram da znam šta u toboganu tačno ulazi, koliko, gde se nalazi, jer pazi, oni sad imaju, sad ćemo mi objasniti kako. Ona, na primjer, na ovom sada toboganu, just a second, I explain few things. Znači, moramo da vidimo, na primjer, gde idu ti tobogani. Znači, onda ti u celom, na primjer, tom, kako da vam objasnim?
A šta reci da želite?
Evo vidiš, oni tamo, u tom toboganu, imaju sve ovo. Imaju u lavirintu. Imaju ovo, razumeš, imaju neke ove karike. Ja moram da vidim gde će šta biti, razumeš, znači moram da vidim gde će šta biti, čega će biti, razumeš. Mi moramo da imamo šta je sadržaj lavirinta, šta sve ulazi u njoj. Ona kad kaže cenu, mi moramo imati specifikaciju šta je sve cena. Da li će ići levo ili desno, pola metra, to je posle stvar ovo, ali moramo da znamo šta ona nama nudi za 20.000 evra ili 25.000, nema govoriš cena, naša, da znamo šta je.
Okay, so to conclude, we need the rough price to know, and we need that draft of looks where what will be, just to know what is included in that price, what slides, what applications, what content, and everything. Everything, for example, everything what is included in the maze, how it will look like, where it will be placed, but I know that is adjustable, and to know the rough price for everything.
Okay, there is no problem. There is no problem to provide the price about the single equipment and the maze we call the indoor playground, but there is no but there is no detailed price list for the every single every equipment in indoor playground, because they are a set of price, not a single price.
Yes, okay, price for everything, and we need some drafts, some drawing of how it will look like, some 3D, you understand, but the final measurements and final equipment, when we build the place, when we have permit and everything, then we will go with the final everything. But we need for now something to look to work with, so we can continue to develop this project.
Okay, and about for the drawing, and for the drawing you just said, we can send you some similar some design with similar area for reference to see
Yes,
what equipment put in there, but not the design for our location.
Yes. So yes, with the drawing we already sent to you of the location. That's the measurements to start with.
Actually, yeah. So now our point is that firstly we need to send you the rough cost about the whole thing we discussed today, and another thing that you just said that we need to provide a drawing for your reference. But I want to say we just send you some design with similar area for your reference, but not for our location. That's acceptable for you. We can't make the design for our location now, because everything isn't sure, such as the actual measurement, so on. So we just provide the similar area design for your reference to let you know what equipment can put on there.
Okay, something similar. Yes, that's fine. That's totally fine.
Okay.
Može ovo, ali ne može konačno dok
Okay, yeah, of course. Da. Okay, that's totally acceptable. So yes, thank you, Maureen. So for imaš nešto da pitaš?
Ne, šta sad da samo
Okay, posle će onda neće postaviti sad tačno, nego ono šta može i to je to. Yes.
To je nama bitno, mi možemo da, kad vidimo to, kažemo to je odgovarajući prostor, vidimo kako se uklapa baby deo, kako ono, to je to, mi pravimo prostor i onda u jednom trenutku se dogovorimo koliko njoj treba za isporuku i onda gađamo, na primjer, to može da kažemo, isporuka bude, ne znam, sveće leto.
Koliko vremenski treba da tu?
6 meseci od trenutka kad počnemo pa do isporuka.
Okay, when we conclude the job, the period of you delivering to us everything is about 6 months. Yes.
Yes, from design to installation is around 6 months. Yes, right.
Okay. After everything is final. Okay. So that's it for now. Thank you very much, Maureen, for your time, and we will be in touch.
Okay. Another thing is that I will send you the design request form to fill, so that we can know what equipment you want. Need you fill it and send it back to us. And another thing is about the total area. You also can choose the equipment you want and fill it on the format. We will calculate the cost according to the form you send back to us. Okay. So now you will send us the rough prices for everything we discussed, and the some draft of how it will look like. Yes, with that technique. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.
You too. Bye, Maureen.
Bye, Lisa.